Hello and welcome everybody. Fall here, Northeast Ohio 2023, and the soybean harvest is underway. Here today I had the opportunity to film a 1982 John Deere 4420 combine out in the field harvesting soybeans. The 4420 roughly has 100 horsepower, 359 cubic inch, 6-cylinder diesel engine, 40-gallon fuel tank. The 4420 grain bin capacity was around 100 bushel, and it was capable of handling a 15-foot grain head and usually a 4-row corn head. I would like to point out, like the combines in the 80s from John Deere, John Deere always mounted their cabs and their combines over on the left-hand side. Usually on competitors like International Harvester and Al's Chalmers Gleaner, they were always mounted in the center. They ran their combines like this until about 1989 when they changed, and they put center cabs on with rear mount engines. Alright, I'm going to go ahead here and let you guys see this John Deere 4420 and listen to it and see it in action, taking down soybeans here in 2023. All right, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm going to try to get some more video footage of this 4420 and corn harvest here later in the fall. If you guys like tractor videos like this, or just tractor videos in general, go ahead and make sure you subscribe. Click that notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.